Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the new lesson. That is, what is the lesson name is chemical bonding, right? So it's the 10th lesson. It's a chemical bonding. So what is meant by chemical bonding? We have studied about the chemical bonding. What is meant by chemical bonding? So say for example, so we know that already know that diamond. So what is diamond? Diamond is a hardly one, is a solid substance, right? Is a solid substance. The allotropes of carbon, right? So diamond is allotropes of carbon and also graphite. What is graphite? Is a soft one. Okay, so graphite and the grease in only. Graphite is a soft one. Diamond is a solid one. So it is very hard one. It is a very soft one. What is the reason? What is the reason behind why is the same allotropes? It is one is very hard and another one is very soft. What is the reason? Because the intermolecular attraction, the bonding between the two substances. So that is called as chemical bonding. So here, what is why we are going to study the chemical bonding? Why we are going to study about the chemical bonding? So because of this combining the atom and molecule, what is the nature of this bond? Say for example, hydrogen and oxygen to form the water molecule, right? So this is what is the bonding between this hydrogen and oxygen. How it will be shared the molecule, how it will be shared the electron. What is the concept behind this atoms and molecules? So here, that is, we are going to learn about this chapter. First, before going to all these things, first we are going to see the what is meant by Lewis approach in the chemical bonding. What is meant by Lewis approach? Okay, what is meant by Lewis approach? So here, the Lewis is explained about what is meant by chemical bonding. So here, so that is what is meant by noble gases. What is meant by noble gas? So noble gases are the outermost electronic Ns2 Np6. All the outermost. So that is helium, neon, argon. What is helium? Atomic number is 2. That is 1s2. What is helium, neon? Neon, what is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, so that is 8 electrons. So that is 8 electrons. So the outermost shells are 2p6 means the p orbitals are completely filled. So s orbital means s orbitals are completely filled. So that is the octet configuration. That is the filled outermost electronic configuration. So that is the inert configuration. So that is all the molecules are forming the bonding between this atom means they attain the chemical bonding, attain the inertness. So that is the stable electronic configuration of noble gases. So they try to lose or gain one electron as sharing of one electron to attain the noble gas configuration. So that is the approaching of the Lewis. How it will be explained that. So he explained. So say for example, sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium is 11. How to write the electronic configuration? So that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and the 3s1. So what is Na plus? How to share the remove of one electron? How it will become Na plus? What is Na plus? So the last electrons are removing. It will attain the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So that is it attain the neon configuration, right? Helium neon configuration. So how to write this electronic configuration? First one is so neon. So here that is neon configuration. That is sodium. How to write? That is sodium. How to write the one? So neon configuration into 3s1. Okay, so this is the sodium electron. This is the another way. This is mentioned. You write the inert gas configuration with this outermost electronic configuration. That is the 3s1. Okay, that is sodium. Now that is it becomes lose one electron. So lose one electron. It becomes sodium plus ion. It becomes the neon gases. Okay, this is the neon electronic configuration. Now again, so this is the carbon. We already know that what is the carbon. So what is the electronic configuration of chlorine? What is the electronic configuration? What is the atomic number of chlorine? So that is again neon. Okay, so neon configuration 3s2, 3p5, that is 17. Okay, what is atomic number of chlorine? We already studied. What is chlorine? atomic number of chlorine is 17. How to write the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of chlorine, right? This is we already studied. Now we can write like this. So this is the neon configuration, neon, and then 3s2, 3p5. Okay, so this chlorine gain one electron, so that is the reason. So here one electron will be removed. Here gain one electron. So gain one electron means so electron will gain பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? இது 3p6 ஆகும். They contain the what the configuration, that is argon configuration, that is Cl minus. It will become argon configuration. Okay, so this is the approach of this loop. That is the Koster and Lewis approach. That is the chlorine. They gain one electron. It is attain the, that is noble gas configuration. So here all the atoms or molecules, they forming the bond between these atoms. They attain the inert gases configuration. They lose or gain. ஒரு electron lose பண்ணியோ gain பண்ணியோ they attain the noble gas configuration. So that is we studied about this electronic, that is called as Lewis approach. How they represent the Lewis approach in this valence electron. Okay, so next one is Lewis dot structure. What is meant by Lewis dot structure? So the Lewis is proposed that the Lewis dot structure, so for diatomic molecules, say for example nitrogen, hydrogen, how they are represented Lewis dot structure. So first what is meant by valence shell? What is meant by valence electron? What is meant by valence electron? So outermostly இருக்கிற electron present in the electrons are present in the outermost shell, that is called as valence shell or valence electron. What is meant by valence shell? What is meant by valence shell? The outermost shell is called as valence shell. Okay, what is meant by valence electron? The electron which is present in the outermost shell is called as valence shell. Okay, so that is we already studied. But here how they are represent this electron present in the valence shell. So here that is called as, which is represented as a small dot. Okay, small dot. This is represented as a small dot. That is called as, this is otherwise called as Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Okay, dot structure. Lewis dot structure. How they are represented? We already know that. What is atomic number of nitrogen? 7. Okay, how to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay, what is the, which one is valence shell? Which one is valence electron? The outermost shell, it is called as valence shell. That is the number of electrons. How many electrons are present in the outermost shell? Only 5 electrons are present in the outermost shell. Okay, so now we are represented in the structure. This is the N. So which atom you are going to represent? That is the N. Okay, how many electrons are? 5 electrons is there. So how? So that is each atom. So here that is 2 lone pair. So how it will be represented as? Here that is the 2 completely filled. 2 is orbital mean that is 2 electron. 2p3 means that is 3 electron here. So that is the 3 sides are 1 1. So that is the 2 electron completely filled. This is represented. This is the Lewis dot structure of nitrogen. Okay, so Lewis dot structure of nitrogen. So again this can be represented as carbon monoxide. How to write the Lewis dot structure of the carbon and oxygen? Carbon and oxygen. Okay, carbon atomic number is 6. Okay, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, 2p2. How to write? So outermost, how many electrons are present in the outermost shell? That is 4 electrons are present in the outermost shell, right? So the 4 electrons, how to represent? So this is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the Lewis dot structure of carbon. Okay, the same thing oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So how many electrons present in the outermost shell? That is the 6 electron present in the outermost shell. Right? How to represent in the oxygen? So oxygen you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is sorry. So here totally 6 electrons are present here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 3 sides are 2, 2 and another only 1. So this is called as 2, 4, 2 sides. So here, so how it will be represented? 2s orbital means that is 2 electron. 2p4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now this is completely filled, right? This is completely filled. So that is here I put 2 dot. Here also completely filled. So that is another 2 dot. This is will be electron. So this is 1 dot. Here 1 dot. So number of electron outermost shells represented is a dot. This is called as Lewis dot structure. Okay. So this is the another one. So next one is what is meant by octet rule. Okay. What is meant by octet? Okay, what is meant by octet rule? So we are already studying in 10th standard. What is octet rule? Their atoms are attain 8 electron in the valence shell, whether they are losing 1 electron or gain 1 electron. So that is called as octet rule. So what is meant by octet rule? ஒரு ஆட்டம் வந்து அவுட்டர் மோஸ்ட்ல 8 எலக்ட்ரானை வந்து அட்டைன் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை லூஸ் பண்ணியோ ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை கெயின் பண்ணியோ அந்த 8 electron வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் வந்து octet rule. The atom they attain the 8 electron in the valence shell, whether they lose 1 electron or gain 1 electron. So that is called as octet rule. Okay, so this is called as octet rule. So say for example sodium. Sodium say for example is 11. So here that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So here that is one electron we lose பண்ணிடுச்சு. So this is become Na plus ion. So what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So that is 8 electron. So ஒரு electron lose பண்ணி இது 8 electron attain பண்ணிருக்கு. இதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது octet rule. The atom lose 1 electron or gain 1 electron. They attain the 8 electron in the outermost shell. That is called as octet rule. Okay, so this is the another one. Next we are going to see the what is the type of covalent bond. Okay, what is meant by types of chemical bonds? So here that is the 3 types of chemical bonds are there. So according to the nature of the interaction they are classified 3 types. First one is covalent bond and second one is ionic bond and coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Okay, this is the 3 types of chemical bonding. So now we are going to detail about this is the basic for your all the chemistry. Okay, so this is the basic things for all the chemistry. So that is what is meant by covalent bond, what is meant by ionic bond, what is meant by coordinate covalent bond. First we are going to see the what is meant by covalent bond. Okay, so what is meant by covalent bond? So first one is so mutual sharing of electron between the atom, that is called as covalent bond. Mutual sharing of electron. Simple word, mutual sharing of electron. Sharing of electrons between the atom. Between atoms. So what is the meaning for that? Mutual sharing of electron between the atoms. Say for example hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen, this is the hydrogen molecule. What is atom? What is molecule? Hydrogen is atom. Okay, single molecule. So that is called as, this is atom, hydrogen atom. So this is called as molecule. More than one, that is called as molecule. Okay, so that is hydrogen atom, hydrogen molecule. So mutual sharing of electron between the atoms. So here, that is hydrogen. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Hydrogen, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? That is 1s1. Here 1s1. So ரெண்டு சேரும் போது என்ன ஆகும்? S orbital 2 electron. Okay, so that is 1s2. So here 1 electron, இது ஒரு electron கொடுத்துட்டு இது ஒரு electron கொடுத்து ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறதுனால this is called as sharing of electron. This is called as covalent bond. So here it is represented as a single bond. So hydrogen, how it will be represented? So again, so this is the hydrogen atom. So this is one hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is hydrogen. Okay, this is another hydrogen. This is another hydrogen. Now it will be sharing the 2 electrons. So here this is 1 electron will be sharing, this is another electron. So this bond is called as, that is the hydrogen molecule single covalent bond. This is the single covalent bond. So ஒவ்வொரு எலக்ட்ரான் மட்டும் ஷேர் பண்ணிச்சு அப்படின்னா எதுக்கு அப்படின்னா இங்க இருந்து ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் வந்து கொடுத்திருக்கு, இது ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுத்திருக்கு. That is called as single covalent bond. This is one example. Another example, triple bond, oxygen molecule double covalent bond. So how it will be explained that? So oxygen molecule, say for example, oxygen atomic number is 8, right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Outermost, how many electrons are there? 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Now again oxygen molecule. How to draw the structure of oxygen molecule? How the electrons are shared? So here that is oxygen. This is 1s2, right? 1s2, how many electrons are there? That is this is oxygen molecule. Here 2 electrons are there. This is 1 electron, this is 1 electron. Okay, now again 1s2, 2s2. So again 2s2, 2p4. So that is 6 electrons will be there, right? So here we are drawing the another one. So this is first one, that is 1s2. Here another one. Okay. Okay, so here that is 1s2, 2 electron. Now again totally how many electrons are there? 6 electrons. So here that is 2 electrons only bond sharing. So that is how it will be explained that. So here 2 electron. Here how many unpaired electrons? Only 1, 2 unpaired electrons. So that is I am putting here, that is 2 electrons, right? So this is 1 oxygen. So in here the remaining 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 electrons. This is 1 oxygen. Another oxygen, again we draw the same oxygen, right? So here that is oxygen, oxygen. So that is 2s, 1s2. Then again another. So how do you draw this? Again this will be shared. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So this will be shared 2 electrons. So that is the reason oxygen exists between the double bond. So that is the oxygen, how it will be represented? Oxygen double bond. Hydrogen will be represented by hydrogen, hydrogen. This is the single bond. This is here 1 electron. That is 2 electron will be sharing. So that is the reason. This is the diagram. 2 electron will be sharing between the 2 oxygen atoms. So this is the another one. The same thing we can share the of nitrogen. How it will be shared the nitrogen? That is 3 electrons will be sharing. So the same experiment, how it will be explained the nitrogen. So here that is nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Outermost how many electrons? So that is only 1 lone pair. So remaining 3 bond pairs. So that is 3 unpaired electron. Right. So now we are drawing the same diagram here. So here that is the nitrogen. So nitrogen. Okay. So nitrogen here that is 2 electron. 1, 2. So next another line is. So here that is 3 unpaired electron. 1, 2, 3 unpaired electron. Okay. So remaining 1 and 2. 1s2, 2s. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Okay. 3 electron reduction. So now again. Another nitrogen. Another nitrogen. Okay. So this is the 1, 2, that is again the 3 electrons. So here 1, 2 and the 3 electrons. Okay. So the 3 electrons are bonded here. So remaining 2 electrons. 1 and the 2 electrons. Okay. So this is the structure. So here now this is the triple bond. Oxygen, nitrogen will be exist with the triple bond. That is 3 triple bond with nitrogen. Okay, so nitrogen exists with the triple bond. So that is the 3 covalent bond. So this is the example, nitrogen triple covalent bond. This is the oxygen. So simple thing, hydrogen is a single covalent bond, oxygen double bond, oxygen, nitrogen is exists with the triple covalent bond. Okay, so this is the example of covalent bond. This is the Lewis dot structure of this covalent bonds of hydrogen, nitrogen and another one is oxygen. Okay, so this is the covalent bond. Okay, so next we are going to see the how to draw the Lewis dot structure. So what is the step we follow? The draw the Lewis dot structure. First, say for example, now we are going to calculate water molecule. Draw the structure of water molecule. So how to first you are draw the skeletal structure of the molecule. First, what is the first step? Draw the skeletal structure. How to draw the skeletal structure? That is hydrogen, this is oxygen. So what is the meaning for that? Highly electronegative compound or in between this hydrogen atom. So here that is, this is the oxygens are highly electronegative, hydrogens are electropositive. So that is in between these atom, oxygen atom, this is present there in between the atom. So this is the first point. Second point, calculate the total number of valence electron. Total number of valence electron. Valence electron. What is the total number of valence electron? So how to calculate how many electrons are present in the hydrogen? So that is 1. Okay, so next then plus oxygen, how many valence electron? So suppose you don't know means, so hydrogen atomic number is only 1. So that is only 1 electron. Oxygen atomic number is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So that is 6 electron in the outermost electron. So that is we are adding 6. Hydrogen again 1. So totally 8 electrons. So this is the second step. First step, you draw the skeletal structure. Highly electronegative atom between these highly electropositive atoms. Second one is, what is the total number of valence electron you have to calculate. So how to calculate the total number of valence electron? Hydrogen only 1, oxygen 6. So valence electron again 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So that is the electronic configuration. Then again hydrogen is 1, totally 80 electron. This is for valence electron. Now draw the single bonded between these atoms. So what is the third step? Draw the single bond. So now hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. What is single bond? What is the meaning of the single bond? Sharing of electron between the atoms. So oxygen, hydrogen sharing 2 electron. So here this hydrogen, oxygen sharing 2 electron. What is the meaning for that? The single bond again 2 electrons share பண்ணிட்டு அர்த்தம். So இங்கே 2 electron, இங்கே 2 electrons. So totally how many electrons are distributed? That is 4 electrons are will be distributed. So remaining how many electrons are there? So that is totally only due to the, so here, okay, so now that is 2 electrons. So 4 electrons will be over. So 8 minus 4 is equal to remaining 4 electrons will be there. So 4 electrons, how to put the 4 electrons? That is the fourth step. So hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. So 4 here 2 electron remaining over. So that is 4 electron, remaining 4 electron. The 4 electrons are placed between the highly electronegative atom. Okay, so this is the 4 electrons. So now you can verify that. So what is the octet rule? How to verify that? So here that is hydrogen. Hydrogen how many electron? Here 1 and 2, that is over. Okay, this is hydrogen 2 electron. This hydrogen 2 electron. But oxygen how many electron? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 2 electron repeat, here electron repeat, here 1 electron. So totally oxygen எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா how many electron? 8 electron. So this is the way you draw the Lewis dot structure. So once again, so இங்கே முதல்ல என்ன பண்றோம்? முதல்ல அதோட ஸ்கெலிட்டல் மட்டும் எழுதுறோம். highly electronegative atom in between atom க்கு இடையில போடுறோம். So அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அதோட total valence electron வந்து நம்ம calculate பண்றோம். So total valence, how to calculate total valence electron? Hydrogen க்கு 1, oxygen க்கு 6, hydrogen க்கு 1. Total 8 electron இருக்கு. இப்போ அடுத்தது next step என்ன? இந்த skeletal structure எழுதிட்டு ஒரு single line draw பண்றோம். Each line contain 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons sharing the 2 electrons, right? So totally how many electrons now distributed? That is 4 electron போயிடுச்சு. Remaining 2 lone. But total check பண்ணீங்கன்னா hydrogen க்கு 2 இருக்கணும். இந்த hydrogen க்கு 2, oxygen க்கு 8 electron. Okay. Once again the same structure we can draw the another structure HNO3. Okay, nitric acid how to draw the structure of Lewis draw structure of nitric acid. What is nitric acid? Mention both things. Okay, this is the how to draw this Lewis draw structure of nitric acid. First you draw the skeletal structure. First step, skeletal structure. HON. This is the oxygen, highly oxygen, HNO3. Draw this, I am writing this one. So what is the second step? Total valence. You have to calculate the total valence electron. What is the total valence electron? We already know that. Hydrogen is how many? So that is hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 6, nitrogen is 5, again oxygen 6, again here total oxygen 6 into 3 potukalam, then again nitrogen 5. How to know the nitrogen? Nitrogen atomic number 7, 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p 3. So this is the outermost electron. So that is the 288. So here 5 electron another 5. Okay, so total valence electron available 1 plus 18 plus 5 24. Total valence electron is 24. Okay, first step நம்ம போட்டாச்சு skeletal structure எழுதியாச்சு. So next வந்து total valence electron calculate பண்ணியாச்சு. So what is the next step? So that is what is the next step? So here, so draw the skeletal structure. So that is hydrogen, then again single line, right? Nitrogen, here oxygen, here oxygen. Okay, so you draw the single line. What is the total valence electron? Okay, total valence electron is 24. Now you draw the single bond. So how many electrons are over now? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 24 minus 8. Okay, 24 minus 8. What is the remaining electron? That is 16 electron. Okay. Now we already know that oxygen is having 2 lone pair. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, remaining 6. Okay, 6, 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, each oxygen containing 6 electron in the outer motion. So that is the reason I am writing here that the single oxygen means that is 6 electron. Just a reminder that oxygen means that is 6 dot. You put 6 dot in the outer motion. So that is 6 valence electron for oxygen. So here remaining 6 electrons. So here 2 electron it will be sharing. So that is here 1 electron to 1 electron. So that is it will be sharing here. So here that is 6 electron. Here 6 electron. Totally now how many electrons? So now you check it. Okay, totally 16 electron distributed. So here 6 or 12. 12 plus 4 16. Now again you will check with the bond 8 electrons. So each atom containing octet configuration now. This is hydrogen 2 electron. This is over, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also over. This will be correct. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also correct. But here that is nitrogen 2, 4, 6. Only 6 electron will be there. How it will be balancing the 8 electron? How it will be balancing? Here the 2 electron will be sharing. Okay, this 2 electron will be sharing with this nitrogen now. So what is the electronic configuration now? So this is nitrogen 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is will be correct. Now oxygen you check it 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is also correct. This is the way you are checking with the number of electron present. This is the Lewis dot structure of this nitric acid. Okay, this is the Lewis dot structure of nitric acid. This is the structure. Once again. So first you write the skeleton, again total number of valence electron, then you draw stimuli between these atoms. After that remaining, so calculate how many electrons are over. So that is remaining 16 electrons. The 16 electrons distributed with the oxygen. So then finally number of electron will be sharing with this nitrogen. Okay, so this is the another one. This is Lewis dot structure of nitric acid. So next one, ammonia. So how to write the Lewis dot structure of ammonia? First you draw the skeletal structure, right? So this is nitrogen will be highly electronegative. So that is we are writing here. That is hydrogen. So this is the first step. What is the second step? You calculate the total valence electron. So how will? So So hydrogen is 1 into 3 plus nitrogen is 5. Totally, so 3 plus 5, that is 8 electron. Okay. So now what is the third step? You draw the single line. Okay. So you draw the single line. So totally how many electrons? 2, 4, 6. So how many remaining 2 electrons are there over there between the nitrogen, because highly electronegative atom. So now you check it. Hydrogen 2 electrons over. All the hydrogens are having 2 electrons. Each nitrogen 2, 4, 6 8. So this is also correct. This is the Lewis dot structure of ammonia. Okay. So now again Lewis dot structure of methane. So what is the formula of methane? CH4. So how to draw the structure methane? Now carbon, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Okay. So what is the second step? Total valence electron. 1 into 4. Carbon outermost electron 6. Totally 10. Okay, totally 4 electron, totally 8 electron. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So unless this is the solid structure. So totally 2, 4, 6, 8. Total valence electron 8 over. So unless how to draw the Lewis dot structure of this compound. How to draw the Lewis dot structure? This is carbon, hydrogen. This is 2 electron. This is 2 electron hydrogen. This is hydrogen 2 electron, this is hydrogen 2 electron. Okay, this hydrogen contains 2 electron. So hydrogen contains 2 electron, this is hydrogen 2 electron. Carbon, you check with carbon 8 electrons. Okay, this is the methane structure of methane. This can also written in the ammonia. How to draw the ammonia structure? This is lone pair, this is 2 electron for hydrogen. This is 2 lone for hydrogen, this is lone for hydrogen. So hydrogen contains 2 electron, nitrogen is 8 electron, right? This is the 8 electron. So that is totally, you check it with this is the Lewis dot structure. In your textbook so many diagram Lewis dot structure, you try to do your classwork. Okay? Thank you children, see you in the next video.